Welcome to the second video. In this video, I'm going to break down two different posters from the same brand. And so this is a brand I was designing for 2023 during the Christmas season, where I was designing the Christmas flyer. And so I had to come up with a concept because it's kind of like a tech brand, a brand that teaches high school students on educates high school students on tech, and there's really a lot more to them. But from here, I'm guessing you can like get the concept already. You can see a tech Christmas tree, and I didn't actually draw this out. I gave a prompt to AI, to the image creator that Bing has, and it generated this for me, and I traced it using my design software. So it wasn't really that complicated of a design. However, the prompt was a problem because it was stressful to come up with a good prompt that could generate a tree like this, and yet this one is not still perfect, but it captures the main idea. And the main idea for this was to, of course, represent a tech brand. Like you see it, when you see it, you just understand that it has something to do with tech. And there's also some consistency with the colors. As you can see, you have white and then the other color, and then white and the other color. I don't know the name, but you get the point. So it kind of creating like a visual consistency with the colors and harmony, making them work together and creating that sense of balance. We're going to move on to the next design, which is this one. So as you can see, it's still for the same brand, and now we're wishing them a happy new year. As you can see, it's really much of the same theme, but I still made sure to engage the target audience by telling them that this is a tech brand by inputting the zeros and ones, because we know that zeros and ones are the language of the computer. And since what we're doing is related to computer, it purely deals with computer science. So this is what I was trying to portray to the audience. And that is really it for this one. We'll go to the next one. You see, I like to keep the video short and straight to the point because there's not really much to add here. I mean, it's just what it is. Like you can clearly see it, and that is what design is. Though sometimes you need to take it a step further and make things a little bit more complicated for the visual hierarchy and visual consistency to fall in place. But for this is just what you need to know about this, and you can start building from there as you go up. I recommend you take your time. You can take an hour a day just scrolling on Pinterest and seeing the type of design ideas that you love and saving those, and maybe try to recreate them. But when you do that, do not post it online because these guys will bring you down. I mean, trust me, they know how to do that. So what you do is you recreate a design that you think you like, and then you store it on your system. That way you know how to recreate the design so that such that when you're designing, it comes automatically to you to now use a method that you used in the previous design in the present design that you're making. And so that's how we really upscale as designers.